Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make your Android smartphone auto-lock when being snatched by someone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open the Play Store. In the Play Store you need to download one application named as Plug Lock EX. Just search this application. As you can see on the first list, just tap on it. Now click on install to install it firstly. Wait for a few seconds until the installation gets complete. So once the installation is done, click on open. On opening the application, you will be asked some permissions. Just allow all the permission, click on yes. Now activate this device admin app. Just click on it. So here you can increase or decrease the threshold, but I will keep it as default. And you can see here at Plug Lock EX to device administration, just tick mark this. And now you can test a method whether it's working or not by clicking on test log method. Just click on it. Now let's say suppose I have a password set on my Android smartphone. So firstly you set your respective password or pattern lock on your Android smartphone. So let me unlock it firstly. So sometimes what happens, so let's minimize this application. Now suppose when you are walking in the road, at the time, suppose say you were busy in something, watching movies or chatting with your friends, and suddenly some person just came and snatch your mobile just like that, snatch your mobile, then what will happen? So at the time, whether it's working or not, so let's find it out. So you can see here when it's snatch hardly, so someone just try to snatch hardly, then your Android smartphone will auto lock at the time. So the thief or any person which has stolen your smartphone will not be able to unlock your phone or see what you are doing at the time. So he will need to be able to have your Android smartphone password or pattern password what you have set. So he will not be lucky to see what you are doing at the time. So in that case, it will be a safety for you that your phone auto lock at that time suddenly when your phone is being snatched by someone. So let us check again whether it's working or not. So let me unlock it firstly. So someone snatched very hardly just like this, then it will just lock your smartphone. So it will be very useful for you if you're worried about, in that case, like someone might snatch your phone while you are on the traveling or walking on the roadside or any nearby shops or anything. Then you can use these applications to keep your phone data safe when being snatched by someone while you are walking by the roadsides. So if you never known about these cool applications, then download it today. And the good thing is that it's totally free of cost. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.